Very fortunate. What is that fortune? And what is that materialism? The materialism are those attitudes and mentalities which keep us from seeing Krishna. Material means that which is not. That which is not letting us see Krishna. And spiritualism, transcendentalism means that which is giving us the association and the vision and the service, the connection with Krishna, with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So sitting in Vrindavan alone, alone means what? Avoiding association of other Vaishnavas. That means alone. Thinking that now I'm going to break away from the pack. I'm going to go and see Krishna. Just like the spiritual master is leading the birds. You see, just like a bird is leading so many other birds when they're going in migration. Like that, the spiritual master is leading so many other birds. If one bird thinks, now I'm going to go and fly out by myself and beat everyone to it, he'll get lost. He can't do that. He has to go on following the lead bird. Because the lead bird is already in touch with Krishna, with the goal. Similarly, the spiritual master is already in touch with Krishna. And he's leading us to Krishna. So we have to follow.